Hello, materialistic minions. It's me, Beau coming to you today with a real-world dad demonstration of the Swiffer dry and wet. We are going to put my horrible, disgusting kitchen floor all over the internet so that you guys can see whether or not this starter kit works for you. I'm not trying to oversell anything. I've actually had a mop like this before, but it broke, so I'm getting a replacement, and we'll see if it practices what it preaches. First of all, it does come with one package of those, so 3 wet claws in there, 1 wet in there, 1 wet in there, a whole bunch of dry ones, but you guys just probably want to see if the mop works itself. So I've positioned it already for your convenience, so you're gonna put it about like so. Now, the common misconception is that green pad is supposed to be on the bottom. It's not. It's actually supposed to be more so on the top, because you're supposed to flip the mop over and scrub some troublesome spots. So we're gonna put that in. You can actually see a bit of chocolate on there already because my little girl sprinkled chocolate chips in their oatmeal, and I spilled some over there, and so I already tested it just to make sure. So it's a little discolored, apologies, but I wanted to make sure that it actually is working before I endorse this thing. But you know what? Let's go. And so it's like this. By the way, it's fairly collapsible. Comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 sections right there. Easily put together like that. Now, let's go find some disgusting food over here. Oh, look at the kitchen table. Oh, that's so gross. All right, so you'll see on our nice wood floor that there's a stain right there. Oh boy, some child spilled some oatmeal or something. So we're going to, first of all, get it kind of wet, shall we? So we're gonna saturate it like so. By the way, I would recommend actually sweeping before using something like this, but I just wanna see if it will actually do something. Oh, there's a little something already coming off, but you know what? We're gonna flip it over like that and see if the scrubby function works. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, this is gonna make life so much easier. Yes. And by the way, I do have laminate fake wood flooring, and it does not appear to be, as a matter of fact, look, you can see a stain on there already. Nice, that's actually working. How cool is that? Okay, so I, Beau, a loving father who tries to clean up after the children, I do endorse this little Swiffer mop. One other thing that I would recommend, I know this is kind of a weird thing, but right over here, you will see that we have one of those, it's technically not a Roomba, it's like a Roomba knockoff. And this is not a review on that, but I do want to tell you that if you guys just kind of want to automate cleaning, which in the long run is going to pay itself off, get one of those automatic vacuum cleaners, hook it up to your Alexa app, and just have it run at like 2 o'clock every single day. It's not going to be as thorough as you going around and sweeping. However, it gets a lot of those crumbs that, you know how you just walk into the kitchen with your bare feet and you pick up those little crumbs, and oh, it just drives me crazy. Those kind of vacuums, you just kind of set and forget, and it picks up most of those. And you'll be surprised when you empty those kind of vacuums how much dust it picks up. So highly recommend, if you're like me and you can't, be sweeping all day long, then get yourself one of those, and then eventually one of these as well. So that's it. My name's Beau. I hope that this demonstration is helpful in determining whether or not this Swiffer mop is right for you, as well as go shop around at some cool little automated vacuums, that you don't have to pay as much as Roomba is selling them for, because they've got some great knockoffs that suffice just nicely. All right, catch you later, guys.